Oop, Jesus! Got myself a little crew, as long as I don't slip. This sucks. Hey, Rascal.
Yeah.
Wellies or boots? Now then, I'm going to attempt to walk today. That's because for the past 2 weeks, I've been pretty crippled with my back. I've had to have a couple of days off work. It's not feeling too bad this morning though, thankfully. We just have to see. I don't know if I did mention it in one of my previous videos. When I walked up the track from Stanhope, just to, you know, see what was up there. And I was saying that there was a waterfall nearby that I didn't know if I'd make it to. Well, I didn't come close to it where I did go, but that waterfall, that's where I'm going to try and make it to today. So we've arrived. Check this out. I mean, it's right next to the road, but at least it's not the main road. When me and the little man stayed here in the car, there was a couple of cars that had come and parked up and then drove off for a bit, but other than that, it was pretty quiet. So, I'm going to get changed. Excuse the doom pit. I'm on rebuilding this section. So I'm going to have storage up here. Shelves for all the bedding and stuff, clothes and whatnot. But yeah, I'm going to get changed and then head up that road and see if I can find this waterfall. Let's go. I have realised though, when I was getting everything set up, I forgot my chest mount. I don't know why. Could have sworn it was in my bag. Never mind. Just have to carry it. Hey sheep. You know what? I've already got a stone in my boot. How did that happen? So we're going. That's where we are. I'm going up here. And then once we get to here, we need to keep going up that way. Oh, I love a style like this. Check this out. Oh, the lap! I've never seen so many lapwings in one place. Tut tut tut, looks like rain. Oh, foxgloves. I don't think I don't know if you can see it on here. The track kind of snakes up, goes all the way up that hill. I don't think I'll be going all the way up there. I think I'll be cutting off and following the valley. A recovery project. Yummy. That breeze is actually quite nice. I think it'd be too hot otherwise. I'm always complaining about something, aren't I? It's too hot, it's too cold, it's too windy, it's too rainy, it's too grey, it's too bright. Can't say I'm not British. Oh, I wonder what's up there. There's something way at the top of that hill. We have a ford. How slippy is it? Ah, it's alright. Oh, Jesus! Well, it was fine. Maybe next time, Ford. Maybe next time. There's something a bit eerie walking through here. It's a weird vibe. I think it's because it's like, it's clearly being worked. And you can imagine it being really busy, full of machinery. And now it's just deserted. Other than the sheep. The sheep. Hello? You come and say hello? Hello? No? Okay, I'll leave you alone. Oh, rude. Got myself a little crew. Are you coming? No? You call yourself a sheep. Won't even follow the crowd. Meh. Hello? Oh, you're saying hello? No? Hello? No? Okay. You know, I've never come across sheep this curious before. That's a canny spoiled heap there, though. Cosy. Huh. Oh, there's some traps in there, look. Definitely still being used. We're at Weardale lead mine. So, once I come out the other end of here, it looks like I am right. I don't follow that track up the hill. I sort of veer off. Look if you can get in there. Oh, cool. Definitely not going in there. I'm not risking standing on that. It's got a bit of a leak, like. So I wonder if that's like, you see how like all this here? I wonder if this has sort of been piled up, like after this was built. I'm wondering if that was, it must have been. That must have been like a full-size door. Who knows? Well, someone knows. Oh, check it out. We have a tunnel. I, however, will not be going down there. Sorry to disappoint. Not for me, thanks. Oh, that's what this must be. I'm sure I've seen on the map something about a plantation. That's what these trees must be here. Must be sprucing it up a bit. Get it? Spruce trees. Huh? I'm here all week. do love a river crossing. Well, looks like there's some sort of sign up ahead on the gate. I suppose we'll see what the crack is when we get here. But it's looking to me like this is where the track ends. I hope I'm allowed through there, because otherwise I did see on the map like a different route to get to this waterfall, and it's like way over yonder, completely different spot to park in and whatnot. So I mean, this might have been a bit of a wasted trek. Well, disappointing trek. It's never wasted. Welcome to the moor. North Pennines mooling group. A ring ouzel. Well, I can definitely come through here. Don't know if I've got to walk up there or if I'm allowed to go that way. Oh yeah, there we go. We're here now, and we still need to come up here. Yeah, so it's not that far, look. We haven't got that far to go. Yeah, and I can definitely go up there. Let's go this way. Oh, there's another one. Humans. Ugh. So, I've crossed over, did look on the map, and that track up there snakes up a little bit, and it just seems to end. But them runners, there's two runners there, they've come from that way. But we need to be up this way. However, I'm not sure how far I'm going to make it up here, because it's just all this. There's normally along areas like this you find the quad tracks from the farmers, but I can't see any of that. You know what would be funny? If the that quad track was on that side. I just couldn't see it. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it all the way along here. It seems, according to the maps, that we're not too far away. We're about at the halfway point after that last gate. You know, the one that was like, welcome to the moor. We're at halfway point from there, so not too far to go. I'm thinking, should I walk up here or should I go up that edge where them sheep are? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's a clear route, look. As long as I don't slip. Oop. It's so green. Love it. After here, I can't see a path at all, so I'm just going to have to wing it. It's down here. Don't want to go up here, looks pretty boggy. Yeah, it's pretty boggy. Do I drop down? Oh, there's another tunnel there, look. Well, found a sheep track again. We have a sheepfold. And a proper gnarly tree. Check that out. Definitely camp up here, I reckon. Yeah, You can set a tent up in there. Be a cool spot up here. Oh, look at that view as well. Can't wait to get out camping this year. Which way should we go? Oh man, if only you could see this with your own two eyes. Camera really doesn't do it justice. This is gorgeous up here. Foxgloves. Oh, with a resident bee. Hello, little bee. Ooh, boggy. It's a little sinky. Where shall I go? Oh, man, I'm really starting to lose the track here. Really starting to lose the route. Squelch, squelch, squelch. Oh man. Oh, I'm nearly there. If you can see. Not focusing very well. We're nearly there. I'll tell you what, my back's doing better than I was expecting it to. But it isn't half aching. I've no real pain though, which is good. I think I can hear the waterfall. We're not far. Now, question is, do I try and keep going up, or do I make my way down to the river and try and follow the river? Yeah, I'm going to go down. I'm just going to see if I can work my way along the river. I'm going down. Decision made. Whoa. Sketchy stuff. Whoa! Whoa, Jesus Murphy. I wasn't expecting that. It's just up there. In fact, I think I can see it from here. Oh, I found a path, look. You know what I think, actually? I think this is where people have been walking. I don't think this is just a sheep trail. As you can kind of work out, it comes to about here and crossing that way and finishing the rest of the walk there. So looks like we're here. I love the colour of the water here as well. It's all the iron in the earth. It's like an orange colour. It's like it's like a river of iron brew. This is gorgeous. I want to stay here. It's like a little paradise up here. We made it. Gorgeous. I'm going to get across there. So I don't want to jump, because if my back goes when I'm up here, I'll be pretty screwed. Yeah, we'll do it. Well, that's me refueled. Time to head home. Man, what a gorgeous spot this is. Definitely worth the walk. Really nice spot. Right, now I just need to make it back without breaking out. One last look. Look at that, man. That's gorgeous. Yeah, it's only a small one, but it's definitely worth it. Yeah. Could you tell me what's up that way? What's up that way? It's just a hill. Because I've been up to Black Force Waterfall up the valley there.
Right.
But I noticed on the map that this seems to just end up
Right.
there.
I don't know the names of it. If you go up there and then drop down into the other valley, there's a river. You go down to Middleton.
Oh, okay.
Middleton on Tees. But it's how far have we come since Middleton? About 6k.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I might have a look up before I head back.
Sorry, we're not from this area. We're just an organised event.
Yeah, I thought there was something on. I've seen quite a lot of people coming through. Yeah.
It goes on and on and on for quite a while.
Does it?
Yeah.
I might see how far I can get before I turn back.
It's a bit of a long.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. So yeah, there we go. Organised event. Apparently up here there's a hill. I'm already regretting my decision. Should be a bench there, mind. This sucks. Oh no, a gate. I can't get through, look. Padlock. I'm just gonna have to turn around. I can't get through. Ah, bummer. Come on then. So here we are, back at the gate. Oh, it looks like there's someone up there that's got a camera as well. There's another human runner. So, thank you for coming with me on this rather fun adventure. And I'll see you on the next one.